Hey everybody, Charles here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to change a cabin air filter in a 2008 to 2020 Dodge Grand Caravan. Before I get into that, take a second to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, so you don't miss out on any of our new content. Today I'll be changing the cabin air filter in this 2017 Grand Caravan SXT, and procedures will be similar for a lot of Grand Caravan models from 2008 to 2020. But be sure to know the specifics for your vehicle before getting started. If you're not completely comfortable doing this yourself, we'd be happy to recommend a professional technician in your area. Once you've got your supplies together, here's what you'll do. Open your front passenger side door and empty your glove box. Release the dampener on the left side by lifting up on the glove box slightly and slipping the catch out of the hold on the side of the assembly. Press in on both sides of the glove box to release the tabs and lower it completely. Your cabin air filter is behind a cover that's secured by tabs on either side. Press in on the tabs on both sides and remove the cover. Take the old filter out. Make sure there's no dust or debris inside the housing. Insert your new cabin air filter, making sure the direction arrows are pointing down. Press the cover back into place until it snaps. Lift the glove box and reinstall the dampener by slipping the catch back into the hold on the side of the glove box assembly. Press in on the sides to re-engage the tabs. Replace any contents you removed and close the glove box. And that's it. You'll find everything you need for this and other jobs at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. Our how-to videos are designed to help answer questions we get in our stores every day. If you found this one helpful, subscribe to our channel to get all the latest. We'll see you again soon.